hungry. Let me eat.
Whoa. Is this hell?
It smells so good. Starving. So hungry. I can't reach my mouth. It's mine.
Too scary. Too scary. Is this heaven?
Here, try this delicious soup.
Thank you.
It's wonderful.
Wait, same pot? Same impossible spoons? Why are they so happy?
Do you see the difference, An?
Yes. In hell, they only think of themselves. In heaven, they help each other. Master, I know how to get to heaven. It's when we know how to help each other. Isn't that right?
Excellent. That's right, An.
Heaven is where we help each other.
Subscribe to spread kindness.